Hey guys, welcome to another edition of Friday 5. You know, it's a little bit chilly out here today. After that earlier respite in the week, I think we're getting punished a little bit. Nothing like Ohio weather, huh? Well, today we're going to go through the Jetta lineup. Something to consider is that every Jetta on here, except for the GLI, is a 1.5 liter turbo 4-cylinder. Great on gas, averages 29 city, 33 highway. So great on gas. It's going to be a great one. Hope you guys enjoy. Alrighty, folks. We're going to start with this Jetta S. The things that the Jetta S starts with is warning perimeter lights, lane departure warning, Bluetooth, a rear camera, and with incentives, it's going for $22,793. All right, up next we have the Jetta Sport. This one's the first one with Apple CarPlay, heated seats, and this particular one does not have the home link, but it can start to come with that. And this one with incentives is going for $23,499. All right, next up we have the SE. This one's the first trim with leather seats. They are heated, and the driver's seat is power. It is a power moonroof, and it has the first trim with keyless entry. It's also the first trim with push to start. This one with incentives is going for $27,936. All right, last of the base Jettas, we have the SEL. This one has navigation, vented seats, memory seats, and with incentive, it is going for $30,637. Last but not least, we have the Jetta GLI. This one is the only one to feature a 2.0 liter turbo i4, producing 228 horsepower, 258 pounds of torque. This one has all the same features as the SEL, and it is going for $36,907. Well, folks, hopefully you enjoyed. Probably not my best work, but it is freezing cold. I mean, like, actually insanely cold. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day.